Today, we're going to be unboxing a brand new Meta Quest 3 VR headset, which now delivers sharper, clearer graphics and a much faster processor. We'll also get a feel for how it compares to the Quest 2 and the Quest Pro. Let's dive in. The box weight is fairly light, and starting the unboxing is easy with just a couple of tabs to remove. Then, the outer sleeve just slides right off. No tape slicing required. Inside, we have the Touch Plus controllers with the wrist straps. The headset with the standard facial interface. And the last items in the smaller box are the USB-C charging cable, some instructional booklets, and the power adapter. Keep in mind that this model comes with the base fabric straps. More on that later. Overall, this feels very familiar. Now, let's compare the Meta Quest 3 headset to the two previous models. Here's the Quest 2, which retails for around $300 now, upgraded with the Elite head strap for about $60. Up next is the Meta Quest Pro. It currently retails for around $950. It feels much more premium, comes with a good head strap already, and sports a sleek glass face. Moving on to the Quest 3, right away I can notice a few differences. The Quest 3 feels compact and solid. The face shield is not as thick as the previous models and also has more curvature. As for the weight, it's much lighter than the Pro, and lighter than the Quest 2 and around 40% slimmer. Even with an Elite strap on the Quest 3, it would be lighter than the Quest 2. Overall, the Quest 3 feels pretty good so far. Moving on to the lenses. The Quest 2 offers 1920 by 1832 pixels per eye resolution. The Quest Pro has flatter pancake lenses that increase the pixel density and a resolution of 2160 by 2160. The Quest 3 has similar pancake lenses to the Quest Pro, and nearly a 30% increase over the Quest 2 with a resolution of 2208 by 2064. On the headset, the strap ends pivot like before and have built-in speakers. You've got the USB-C port, the power button, multiple cameras and sensors, a scroll wheel that controls the spacing between the lenses, volume controls, an audio jack for headphones, and a depth adjustment switch for the lenses inside. Now let's check out the controllers. These are from the Quest 2, the Quest Pro, and the Quest 3. The Quest 2 controller feels light and a little cheap. Buttons and thumbsticks are on a flat surface, the triggers are smooth, but the 3D space tracking rings around the controllers can sometimes collide if they get too close. They also require batteries that you need to change by sliding off this part here. The Quest Pro controllers are heavier and feel much more premium, which is expected for the price increase. The face that the thumbsticks and buttons are now on have a noticeable angle, making them more ergonomic and comfortable to hold. Instead of the rings, they have self-tracking cameras, which is a big improvement. They are also rechargeable, so no batteries required. And they have magnetic points that allow them to attach to each other. Overall, a great design. Now, for the Quest 3's controllers. The weight and quality is closer to the ones from the Quest 2. But you can see that they've taken design elements from the Pro controllers. The angled edge of the face was refined further and is now softer. There are also no outer rings or visible camera sensors. But these still require batteries, although changing them is easier now with a release button you can press. There are also no magnetic attachment points on these. Overall, the Quest 3 controllers seem like a good mix of the Quest 2 and the Quest Pro controllers. If you want to see more tech unboxings, reviews, and setup videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Lastly, let's try each of these on to see how the Quest 3 compares. The Quest 2 feels good. The Elite strap makes adjusting it pretty easy, but the headset feels a little front heavy though. The more expensive Quest Pro with the glass front is very easy to put on and adjust with the head strap. The weight also feels more evenly distributed. Right away though, I notice you can see out of your periphery. They do have light blockers to reduce this, but not entirely unless you purchase another accessory. Now, when putting on the Quest 3 headset, you can see that I instantly start to struggle as I've been spoiled by the Elite strap and the Pro head strap. So I would upgrade that in the future for sure. But once it's on, they feel really good and much lighter than the other two. The more pronounced curvature fits my face better while closing off any periphery light gaps. It just makes it more immersive. I can see myself wearing these comfortably for much longer than the other two. I hope this video was helpful for those of you guys that are considering picking up the new Meta Quest 3. If you're interested, I've linked all the different models and accessories down in the description below. These are affiliate links that give me a small commission at no added cost to you. Want to check out some other cool tech upgrades? Check out this video here.